Cuddle.
Here's Scratches. Here's her toy. Watch what she does. Let's go switch hands. Here she comes. See, she brings it right back. Right up to Daddy. And then Daddy has to throw it.
And Daddy only has his boxes on, so Daddy's not going on camera.
No, he's not.
Go get it.
There she goes. Slide, Scratches, slide.
Oh, he's mulling it.
Bring it back. Good girl.
Can I get it again?
Oh. Here's a pretty girl. One more time. Come on. See, she carries it like her like she's got babies or something.
Say hi to the camera. Yeah.
Scratches.
Look.
No, she says. That's it.